Woohoo! Hello, gorgeous people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Bilkesh and I wish you a great day ahead. So, it has been raining continuously since the last 2 3 days, and I am craving for some South Indian lunch. वो जल्दी भी बन जाता है और ज़्यादा झमेला का काम भी नहीं है. So, I got some prawns, curry leaves, and what we are making today is some rasam and ghee roast, prawn ghee roast. So I never thought I would be cooking and be in the kitchen, and enjoy it actually. Along with fashion, I love cooking too, and also running a business. I know I'm wearing too many hats at the same time, but I am enjoying it. I get tired, yes, but this is what I have always dreamed about, yeah. Also, give this girl a follow in Instagram because I need your support, and these days, Instagram is just not letting me grow. So here we are, some onion, chili, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, a black salt, jeera, whole jeera, a hing, tamarind paste, and we have some garlic and peppercorn that we are going to crush. But first, let's start with these onions and give them a good chop. And this has to be like very fine cuttings क्योंकि prawn घी roast में ना ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता है, not the sliced ones. So one round done, we are going to do this process yet again with those two onions. So I took two whole medium sized onions, and that's gonna work for both my prawn ghee roast and aloo chokha. So we are going to have a lot of dish today. So I'm going to show you later, but the hero dish here today is rasam and prawn ghee roast. I'm also chopping this chilies both for prawn ghee roast and aloo chokha. Rasam mein nahi jayega because rasam mein we're simply going to use a lot of peppercorns. So the spice is going to come from there, not from chilies. That would be extreme for me to handle. If you guys want, you guys can put chilies as well. So we are ready. For first we'll start with prawn ghee roast. आप थोड़ा सा मीडियम हीट में पैन लो and add some oil. Here I'll just let you guys know we need some oil and ghee together. तो थोड़ा सा ये लगेगा, ऐसा तो नहीं है आप पूरा ही घी रोस्ट खा लोगे. So yeah, but then a lot of ghee and oil goes into it. I'm not going to make this a healthy version. It doesn't work. Prawn ghee roast is supposed to be like this. I don't know if it's the traditional way, but then the one that I have had in a restaurant, it tastes exactly like this. So forgive me अगर traditional method में नहीं होता है, and if this kind of offends anybody, but do not get offended. Let me know in the comment section if I have done the process right or wrong, or however it could be done right. Just let me know in the comment section. So first to the oil I have added jeera, some hing, and then curry leaves. I sauteed them really well. Then I have added this onion and chilies. We're going to saute this really well, थोड़ा सा browning होने तक, and इसको spread कर लो अच्छे से ताकि evenly cook हो जाए. To this I'm also going to add some chopped tomatoes. I forgot that before, so I'm going to add it now. And इसको भी अच्छे से saute करना है. Now we are going to add some turmeric powder, coriander powder, little bit of chili powder, and mix it all really well. Now we are going to add the freshly washed prawns, and इसको वैसे ही saute करना है फिर से. We are going to add some salt, स्वाद अनुसार, and we are also going to add little bit of turmeric and saute it really well. इसका पानी अभी तक देने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. We'll adjust it later if you want some kind of little gravy stuff. Then we'll add water because prawn खुद का एक moisture release करता है, तो उसी से ही cook हो जाएगा. So by the time it's getting cooked, we are going to crush our garlic, jeera, curry leaf, peppercorn along with some salt. इसको अच्छे से crush करेंगे, and it smells so good. So this is already done, मैं थोड़ा सा वाटर डाल रही हूँ ताकि थोड़ा सा मुझे ग्रेवी चाहिए, इसलिए यू गाइस कैन लिटरली नॉट ऐड वाटर एंड हैव इट जस्ट लाइक दैट, एकदम फ्राई फ्राई जैसा, तो वो भी अच्छा लगेगा. एंड वी कैन से इट्स डन ऑलरेडी. It's time to make some rasam now. In the same pan we're going to make rasam, बट उससे पहले मैं ये टमाटो को हाथ से क्रश करूँगी ऐसे करके. दिस इज़ अगेन अ ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ मेकिंग टोमेटो रसम, सो आई एम डूइंग इट विथ माई हैंड ओनली. आपको अगर चाहिए तो यू कैन वेयर ग्लव्स और जस्ट यूज़ अ स्मैशर, वॉट एवर यू लाइक. So yes, I enjoy doing this. If you're bothered about the peels of tomato, you can take it out, add some water and add all the flavor into it. For example, tamarind paste. हम यहाँ पे ही taste adjust कर लेंगे in the same water. So what did we put so far? It's tomato, salt, tamarind, little bit of black salt as well, and we're going to mix it really well. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा टेस्ट करो, अगर आपको लगता है सॉल्ट चाहिए, खट्टा चाहिए, देन एडजस्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. आई थॉट कि मुझे थोड़ा और ज़्यादा चाहिए खट्टा, सो आई हैव एडेड सम अनदर टेबलस्पून ऑफ tamarind. So to a pan, add some oil, add hing and jeera, pinch of hing and jeera, fry it a bit and then add the mixture that we have crushed. Honestly, for rasam we do not need much oil at all. इसी से ही फ्लेवर आता है. द एक्चुअल फ्लेवर ऑफ दिस रसम कम्स फ्रॉम दिस क्रश्ड पेपरकॉर्न, गार्लिक, curry leaves, and now we are going to pour the tomato flavored water and it's just done. अब इसको बॉईल करना है 5 minutes max so that we get all the flavor from all of this aromatics and it's just done. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा टेस्टिंग करना पड़ेगा. मैं हल्दी देना भूल गई थी, सो आई एडेड हल्दी एज वेल. अब थोड़ा सा टेस्टिंग करना है एंड उसके बाद इफ़ यू वांट सम काइंड ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट विथ tamarind, salt, or say if it's too salty then we can add a little bit of गुड़ या फिर चीनी. So I've added a little bit of gur, which is called jaggery powder, and that is it. Tastes yum. It just balances out the whole flavor. You won't get the sweetness at all. And it's done. Hello, the cooking must have been done, but then उसके जो पहले का काम होता है और उसके बाद का काम होता है, that's the reality of being in the kitchen, to be honest. I love cooking, no doubt at all, but ये जो pre and post work होता है of the cooking, I do not like that at all. Nobody does. So ये cleaning करने के बाद I'm going to have some black coffee and chill and wait for my partner to come, and then we're going to enjoy our lunch together. So it's weekend, it's Saturday, and yeah, that's the plan. So mostly on weekends we kind of spend a lot of quality time together. We go out or we stay home. It's just amazing, you know. So I'm really tired, like really tired. So I'm just going to chill for the moment. And there is our lunch, and there's Millie. You bake, you cook, you eat. She's always watching, but she's such a sweetheart. She never hops in at all. So anyway, after lunch and after a good nap, it's time for some chai, like a good chai with sugar and milk. आई वॉज एंड इट्स रेनिंग कंटिन्यूसली, तो मुझे ना ऐसा मिल्क टी खाने का मन हो रहा था. मोस्टली आई एम अ कॉफ़ी पर्सन ओनली, ब्लैक कॉफ़ी, बट वेरी रेयरली व्हेन आई क्रेव फॉर मिल्क टी, तब जाके मुझे ऐसा पसंद है. अदरवाइज I do not put sugar as such, but he wants his milk tea to be exactly the way a milk tea is supposed to be. So I thought, why not? Let's do it. So इसलिए एकदम चीनी दूध सब डाल के आज चाय बनाएंगे. So while I was making tea, he was showing me some kind of VR experience in China. He's really crazy about all this stuff. So the chai is done. 2 cute cups are here, and we are going to pour this chai till the very last drop. We are not gonna waste a single drop of this tea. It turned out so good. Okay, so our tea must be ready, our snack and biscuits, all of this must be ready. But hello, there's Millie too. So Millie के लिए है dentistix. So I give her like half of it every day. So it's a little big, like 6-7 inch का ऐसा है. So I give her this much. And see how excited she gets with this. She loves this treat. And she doesn't eat any packet food, any of this. But बहुत रेयरली जब वो नहीं खाती है तब इट्स बिन रिकमेंडेड दैट यू शुड बी गिविंग देम सम काइंड ऑफ वेट फूड, डॉग फूड. उसको वार्म करने के बाद तब इनका टेस्ट वापस आता है. So it's only that time I give her wet food, otherwise it's not. And her tantrums are too much with food, but she is a sweetheart. Look at her, she's so happy, and we are happy with our chai. Okay, so Millie loves the smell of Mary biscuit, and ऐसे हम लोग पूछे भी थे डॉक्टर को, like if we can feed her. They said like one single little bit of Mary biscuit it's fine, but not too much, like every 3 to 5 days एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा ऐसा it's fine. And I'm very particular with her diet because she's very tiny and she needs extra care, I feel. So Millie's dinner is ready, एकदम फ्रेशली बना है. एंड मैं ना इसका जो स्टॉक होता है मैं फेंकती नहीं हूँ, वो मैं अब खुद के लिए रख लेती हूँ. एंड समटाइम्स फॉर मिली टू. And she's well fed, and here I am. I was so full with the lunch because we've had lunch around 4, very late at around evening, so I was really not hungry. But later, almost at midnight, I craved for some cornflakes, so here I am having it. And that is it for the day. I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'm like really tired. I'm going to put all the items back in the fridge after they have cooled down, otherwise kharab ho jata hai. I have been taught really well. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow this girl on Instagram and give me a good support. Thank you, and see you guys in the next vlog. Love you.